Hello everyone, this is OX Nagus from the OX Nagus community and ngayon, nandito ako para turuan kayo kung paano bumili ng MUP, the local token of Animix. Pero bago ang lahat, guys, disclaimer lang, anything in this video is not in any way a financial advice. Always do your own research, monitor risk, and invest only what you can lose. Without further ado, let's start. Pero bago pala tayo muna pumunta sa pagbili ng MUP token, let's have a background check muna kay Animix. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kay Animix, this is Animix guys. This is a play to airdrop game sa Telegram that is backed by Sophon na nakapag-raise na ng $70 million from its investors. Although kaka-release pa lang nito to the general public last December 2024, it has already garnered 300,000 players. So if nakita mo to ngayon pa lang, you are 3 months early. Okay? And ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga bagay na dapat talaga nating malaman. Paano natin makikita yung mga information na yon is pumunta muna tayo sa official X account nila and punta tayo dito sa beacons.ai/animix. Ito yung kung saan nagpo-point out yung cursor ko. And kapag pinindot natin yan is mapupunta tayo dito, scroll down lang, and this third button is what we're going to click and mapupunta tayo dito sa third tab which is yung blog nila sa mga dapat nilang malaman, guys. And by the way, this is published last December 20 last year, hence the word upcoming. No, pero yung MUP token is currently live which will be discussed later on in this video. Okay, so let's talk about their roadmap. And phase 1, explore the beta with free gameplays, quests, and airdrop rewards. So basically, I think we're in the phase 1 kasi sobrang boring pa lang nito guys eh. So claim all, deploy, etc. ka pa lang. And wala naman tayong gagawin. So magro-roll lang tayo parang gacha type and mix new pet. For example, itong dragon natin, is i-combine ko sa dog, ano ko, chicks, 'di ba? Pero gano'n lang. And then kapag nag-combine ka is makakakuha ka ng pets na mas malakas. Kasi kunyari, I think tank tsaka eagle, etc. So I think you know it na naman, no? And pangalawa naman is phase 2, which is challenge others in battle mode with PvP auto battle. So I think guys, this one is type of Pokemon battle na kung saan yung mga characters natin dito or yung mga pets natin is gagamitin natin as a Pokemon kasi ganun yung vibe na nakikita ko sa game. Tapos makikipaglaban tayo with other players or with other clans, no? And meron din sigurong adventure mode na kung saan AI lang yung kalaban natin or NPCs. And the phase 3 is launch MUP Game Reward. So basically, this is the TGE na or yung airdrop. And the reason why I think phase 1 is currently happening right now, kasi sabi dito guys, the airdrop will happen on the March 21, 2025, no? And eto nga pala yung MUP distribution nila. So almost 60% sa atin. Pero that's not the point, guys. The point is sobrang lapit niya na. 3 months na lang is TGE na agad nila. It's a good thing, no? Maaga tayo nakapag-grind. So we're just basically alpha at this point. And eto guys, kaya ko kayo gustong turuan kung paano bumili ng MUP kasi eto yung binigay nilang mechanics on how to increase your airdrop allocation. Sa una, play to airdrop. Of course, laro-laro ka, invite ka ng mga tao since airdrop is a marketing and community engagement strategy ng company. So, yun lang yun. No? Pero ito kasi, may pangalawa silang criteria na nilagay. Sabi dito, if may MUP ka sa wallet mo and nag-provide ka pa ng liquidity sa MU or MUPF pair, tataas yung airdrop mo. So, ibig sabihin, if bumili ka ng MUP as early as you can, and the longer you hold, the greater your rewards. 'Di ba? Very interesting siya. Kasi, bakit? No? Live na kasi yung token, guys. Na-launch na. And in comparison sa mga airdrops na nasalihan natin, Hamster Combat, Toma, Sion, ano ba? X Empire, and yung token kasi is lalabas pa lang once the game or the Telegram bot is actually done with itself, no? Hindi pa tayo makakapag-invest beforehand. Pero dito, since live na si token, may price na siya, pwede na tayo makapag-hold, makapag-buy and hold. And that is basically the reason ba tayo may video na ganito. Pero bago tayo bumili, guys, ano ba yung advantage? Bakit ah, need natin or kailangan natin bumili if meron lang naman 'no, ng MUP. Kasi dito guys, may advantage dito bukod sa additional airdrop guys ha. Receive 20% of your allocation immediately. If casual player ka lang, naglalaro ka ng laro, etc. etc. On March 21, 2025, ang makukuha mo lang sa airdrop mo is 20%, 'di ba? So for example, yung binigay sa iyo ni Animix is 1 million MUP, ang makukuha mo lang do'n is 200,000 kasi 20%. The remaining 80% which is the 800,000 ma-a-unlock mo lang in 7 months. Compare natin siya sa MUP, sa March 21, 500,000 agad and the remaining 50% is to be unlocked in 7 months or in just 3 months if you're a top player, no? And para kasi sa akin 7 months is a very long time. Lalo na sa mga airdrops na ganito. And guys, I think the bull run is patapos na. No, I think we're in Q4 and then boom, bagsak na ulit yan. No, anything can happen in 7 months. So mas maganda na ma-unlock na natin sila lahat immediately para makuha natin sila agad and kung ano mang gusto nating gawin is magawa natin. And ito namang soft node holders is hindi ko muna i-discuss dito kasi sobrang ah hindi siya community friendly. Like it costs 20,000 just for the device tapos same parang same lang naman eh. So wag na. And if you're asking pala, paano if player ka tapos MUP holder ka din? Gaano kalaki? I don't know. Siguro magiging 60, 70 or baka 50% lang. Kasi MUP holder, I think mas mabigat yung MUP kaysa players. Yung benefits netong players mo overcome netong MUP holders. Eh ngayon, punta na tayo agad sa bilihan no ng MUP. Okay, so punta muna tayo dito sa Animix X official account and dito is pumunta muna kayo dito sa Animix Tech and baba kayo dito and punta kayo dito sa syncswap.xyz/sophon. Tapos kapag pinindot nyo to, pupunta kayo dito guys. And sorry, ganito yung screen na lalabas sa'yo guys. And dito, i-connect mo siya. And before doing this pala, nakalimutan ko, sorry, that may F na kayo guys sa wallet nyo. So, if wala pa, bibili kayo sa mga exchanges like OKX, Bybit, BitGet, kung ano man yung gamit nyo ngayon. Binance, di ba? Okay, I forget. So, pagkatapos nun, connect nyo lang dito, may lalabas na pop-up and yun na yun, no? And, ah, since yung Sophon network kasi guys is hindi pa available mostly sa mga exchanges kasi hindi pa naman siya ano eh, hindi pa siya medyo sikat, pero legit naman, no? So what we're going to do is to bridge, no? Pupunta tayo dito sa bridge and pipindutin natin itong Sophon bridge sa lower left and kapag inopen natin yan, dito tayo mapupunta. Okay? Connect pala wallet natin, sorry. Connect muna natin. Ayan. Connect natin yun. And with this, no, i-bridge natin. So let's just say na may 999 tayong Ethereum, sobrang yaman mo na. In my case, wala talagang Ethereum kasi dito lang talaga ako bumili ng Ethereum or tinanggal yung Ethereum sa exchange or wallet kasi ang mahal kasi guys eh. Kaya tinuruan ko rin kayo guys, mahirap magkamali dito. Kasi ang mahal niyan guys, no? $2 to $6 yan. Tapos yung gas fee mo pa from the exchange to the ETH network, 'di ba? Sobrang hirap. Sobrang kapag nagkamali ka, ₱500 agad 'yan, no? So, Ayan. So kapag, na-input mo na yung amount from Ethereum tapos to Sophon, continue mo lang and pagkatapos nun may mga pagpa-pop up, click mo lang and then boom, tapos na. And babalik tayo dito sa trade and your Ethereum since nasa Sophon network na tayo is yung 999 mo, i-swap mo sa MUP. Okay, so ito yung value na makukuha mo. Okay, so pagkatapos niyan, pipindutin mo lang yung proceed dito and then boom, okay na. And may mga questions kasi dito nung una ko na pagkabukas ko dito sa wallet ko sa Sophon, ah, asan ba yun? Sophon is wala talaga siyang laman, 'di ba? Meron na ako diyan guys eh, pero wala. I think sa PC meron na. Wala talaga, sorry. Pero sa cellphone ko na MetaMask meron. So if hindi naman is i-try niyo 'to. Nasaan ba 'yun? Eto, is copy niyo yung contract address and i-add niyo sa MetaMask. So lalabas 'yan guys, imposibleng hindi kasi ganyan din naman yung ginawa. And matapos niyan, boom, lalabas na siya. And dito wala eh. No, pero sa cellphone ko meron talaga. So that's it guys, basically the end of this video. And if you like tutorials just like this, yung sa iba kasi puro text lang, no? So dito may visual guide tayo. Make sure to follow the OX Nagus Community Discord server and I'm sure na hindi nyo pagsisihan yan. And thank you. Goodbye.